What makes muscle growth possible? Muscles are fundamental to our body. We have over 600 of them, and together, they make up a significant portion of our body weight, between 1/3 and half. They work alongside connective tissues to provide stability, support, and mobility. You don't need to be a bodybuilding enthusiast to understand the importance of keeping them healthy. Their condition depends on the care we give them every day. Think of when you face a door you need to open. It's the perfect coordination between your brain and muscles that makes this movement possible. The brain sends signals to the motor neurons in your arm, triggering the contraction and relaxation of muscles, which in turn move the bones to execute the required movement. The more effort the action requires, the more the brain intensifies the signal, involving a greater number of motor units. If the door is heavy, like solid iron, the muscles in your arm might not be enough. The brain then recruits other muscles in the body. You plant your feet firmly, tighten your abs, and pull with your back to generate the necessary force to open the door. In this way, the nervous system utilizes every available resource to tackle the challenge. Meanwhile, muscle fibers undergo cellular changes. The stress causes small tears in the fibers, which, in this context, are a good thing. The damaged cells release cytokines, molecules that trigger an immune response to repair the damage, and this is when muscle growth is initiated. The greater the damage, the more intense the body's response to repair it. This cycle of damage and repair leads muscles to increase in size and strength, adapting to increasingly demanding challenges. Everyday activities, being part of our routine, don't generate enough stress to stimulate significant muscle growth. To increase muscle mass, it is necessary to subject muscles to loads greater than usual, a process known as hypertrophy. On the other hand, if muscles aren't adequately challenged, a reduction process known as muscular atrophy occurs. Exposing muscles to significant tension, especially during the lengthening phase, known as eccentric contraction, creates ideal conditions for stimulating growth. However, physical training alone isn't enough to achieve results. Proper nutrition, hormonal balance, and adequate rest are equally crucial for repairing damaged muscle fibers. Proteins from the diet provide the essential amino acids to build new tissue and maintain muscle mass. A sufficient protein intake, along with hormones like testosterone and insulin-like growth factor, allows the body to enter an ideal state for repairing and growing muscles. Repair predominantly takes place during rest, particularly at night during sleep. Factors such as age and gender influence this process. For instance, young men have an advantage due to higher testosterone levels. Genetics also plays an important role. Some people have a more efficient immune response, which helps them better repair muscle damage and enhance their growth capacity. In short, the body responds to stimuli. If you challenge your muscles, nourish them properly, rest, and repeat the cycle, you can create the ideal conditions to maximize growth. Muscle growth, much like personal growth, requires commitment and challenge. Only by facing significant difficulties can one achieve concrete and positive change. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any content, and thanks for watching this video.